I don't need insurance. I live in a condo. My association has insurance. Hey, this is Mendy with my insurance claims expert here to dispel this common myth. So I'll share a precautionary story. Shortly before Hurricane Dorian was predicted to hit Florida, I was meeting with a friend of mine over something else, and he mentions we're talking about prep for the hurricane, and I mentioned you should make sure you have proper insurance. And he says to me, oh, I don't need insurance. I live in a condo. My homeowners association has insurance. So I explained to him that actually, as a condo owner, your insurance, you do need your own insurance because the HOA insurance is limited in what it covers. It's there to cover the skeleton of the building or up to the drywall, etc., not the interior of your unit, including your cabinets, your flooring, your paint, your light fixtures, your toilets, etc. And based on my advice, luckily he went out and got insurance promptly. I kid you not, less than 45 days later, he calls me up. Mendy, first of all, I'm glad that you told me to get insurance. Second of all, I have an issue. Apparently we have a shower pan leak where it's leaking from our shower into the closet next to it, etc. And we've got mold now. I went over, looked at the claim. Luckily for him, he did have insurance, and we were able to get him $68,000. So, that being said, what does your association, what are they responsible for, and what are you responsible for? Great question. So, in general, the number one thing that will decide that is your homeowners association bylaws. Read it, know what you're responsible for, know what they're responsible for, and don't just take the HOA's answers as what they owe you for. Read the bylaws. And in general in Florida, most bylaws are going to be according to the standard Florida bylaws, which is basically you as the unit owner are responsible from the paint inward. What does that mean? That means on the walls, the association would be responsible for the drywall and anything behind the drywall. Let's say the building is completely destroyed. The HOA puts back up the skeleton. They'll put drywalls. You'll come in. You'll paint it and whatever other fixtures inside, whether it's light fixtures, etc. Your ceiling, same thing. Paint inwards. You're going to paint the ceilings, and then you'll put whatever light fixtures, ceiling mounted fans, whatever you have on the interior. On the floor, it's going to be essentially from the subfloor, typically in a building, that'll be cement, and up. So the reflooring you'll be responsible for, whether that's tile, whether that's laminate, whether that's carpet, you'll be responsible for. In the kitchen, all those fixtures, the cabinets, your oven, your microwave, the sinks, you will be responsible for all of that. In the bathroom, same idea, vanity, toilet, bathtub. Those are all finishes that you'd be responsible for. Therefore, it is important that you have proper insurance. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. I hope you got some good content out of it. As always, please like, share, comment, and if you have any questions, email us at questions@pantherpa.com.